Welcome to Tech Island, your go-to place for the latest tech gadgets and inventions. Today, we have the 15 coolest gadgets for rooms that you need. Trust us, these are some awesome inventions that every home should have. So sit back, grab that bag of popcorn, and let's get going. First up is the Moon Sonic Electric Toothbrush. Tired of that same toothbrush design you've been using all your life? This device will turn your dental chores into a breeze with its powerful motor. That's 120 times more power than a normal toothbrush. And with 5 power modes and a 2-minute guided brushing setting, it is suitable for all types of brushing habits. With a long battery life that lasts 6 months, forget the charging hassle. Couple this with the ultra-fine bristles, and you are bound to make your dentist proud. Nettie Smart Bird Nest. Your love for birdwatching just got kicked up a notch. With this smart nest, never miss another crucial moment of your bird's life. Boasting the power of 2 high-definition cameras, you can observe what goes on inside at all times. And with a nesting spot design that suits most birds, it makes life a bit more comfortable for your feathered friend. Not to mention its spacious interior that any bird would love. There are even real-time temperature and humidity sensors to ensure the little ones are getting the best treatment they can. With its unique and sustainable design, this bird haven will become your next hobby in no time. And did I mention it comes with a solar panel? Yeah, you even save on electricity cost with this amazing gadget. Speaking of animals, this next gadget is essential for pet owners. SureFlap Micro Pet Door. Do uninvited animals keep finding their way into your home from the pet door? Well, not anymore. This smart gate utilizes microchip technology to detect authorized chips. Then, it only grants entry to animals wearing those chips. This smart gadget lets you set timers and restrictions. This way, you get to automate the shenanigans of your pets while safekeeping your house. Would this gadget be helpful for your home? Let us know in the comments down below. Arpo Smart-Shade. Who says shades have to be boring? Automate any shades in your home with this smart gadget. It is a perfect blend of design and technology that gives your living room a new feel. A throwback to the classic design patterns infused with modern technology, this invention allows you to control shades from anywhere. It is convenience at your fingertips. This decorative gadget is also compatible with major voice assistants like Google, Siri, and Alexa. No matter what ecosystem you have, you can set it up and get going instantly. Get this amazing invention today to make your room even smarter. This next gadget is another home essential. Ethereal Electric Kitchen Composter. Want to play your part in helping the climate? Then this kitchen composter is for you. Turn any leftover food scraps or kitchen waste into compost that can be used to fertilize plants. With the added benefit of eliminating that garbage smell from your household, this gadget is a must-have for any home. Boasting a 1-button operation and a large tank, it is super easy to use. Plus, cleaning it is a simple affair thanks to its dishwasher-friendly tank. Atom Smart Coffee Maker. Enjoy your morning cup of coffee with this smart gadget. Boasting a 4-hour heating plate and a reusable coffee filter, making coffee is now easier than ever. Plus, this device can also be operated using the mobile phone app or voice assistants such as Alexa and Siri. Set schedules, adjust the brew strength, and modify the grind settings, all with just a few inputs. Crafted with a stainless steel finish, this coffee maker features a contemporary design that will look sleek in any kitchen. If you have enjoyed the video so far, make sure to like and share it with your friends. Also, hit the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on our latest videos. Caso Drink Cooler. This cooler keeps your drink at the ideal drinking temperature. With a sensor touch control panel, the temperature can be adjusted in a precise manner. This cooler accommodates all kinds of drinks as well, so you will have plenty of versatility in its use. This gadget is a great way to keep your drinks fresh and ready at all times. Aura Home Battery. Worried about blackouts, leaving you in the dark? Well, say goodbye to those worries with this powerful station that redefines capacity. This little beast packs a punch with enough electricity to keep all your lights and your appliances running all night long. But that's just the beginning. You can even connect two of these together for even more power. That's more than double what other chargers offer. And wait, there's more. You have the option of adding up to 9 expansion batteries. That alone is enough to power your whole house for days. If you want reliable backup power, this gadget has your back. Plus, its sleek design and versatile ports make it perfect for any situation. Ditch the weak, unreliable chargers and upgrade to Aura, the King Kong gaming phone. This gaming phone is an absolute beast. It boasts an expandable 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of base storage, and a powerful battery with fast charging. What more can you ask? Well, ask or not, this phone is going to keep giving. Sit tight because these features are insane. This gaming phone comes with a super bright 5000 lumens torch, a 48 megapixel main camera, and even a night vision lens. The cherry on top, it boasts a large, immersive 6.5-inch display. This phone is perfect for anyone who needs a durable and powerful device for work, play, or outdoor adventures. Get yours today using the link in the description. The FurMate. With this gadget, you and your feline companion can live a cleaner lifestyle. Say goodbye to the daily grind of the litter box. With an emphasis on your cat's comfort and reducing your work, this cutting-edge automatic box goes above and beyond just cleaning. Your cat will have plenty of space to go around thanks to FurMate's large open drum design. This also helps avoid spills and messes. No washing or scrubbing necessary. The felt mat, liner, and sifting screen are removable as well, allowing for hassle-free, rapid exchanges for a consistently clean box. This awesome device offers a convenient and fresh litter experience for your cat. ALC Cervical Neck Pillow. This pillow is your companion for a restful sleep. Made of memory foam, it helps you adopt a comfortable back sleeping position. It also improves alignment and posture because of its raised sides and contoured neck support. Additionally, a good night's sleep is guaranteed with the breathable, cooling cover. Not to mention, you get all the benefits of sleeping on your back with this unique gadget. It's a must-have for anyone struggling to get rest. LNG Wireless Heated Leg Massager. With this features-filled massage, you can treat yourself to a spa day every day. Now, this is not your typical massager. Instead, it uses 14 strong airbags that inflate and deflate to mimic the movements, pulls, and pinches of actual massage professionals. Picture a wave of comfort rolling over your legs, relieving the strain and exhaustion. The features don't stop there either. Like a pro, this high-tech marvel employs artificial intelligence to customize the pressure and airflow during a massage. In addition, the breathable material keeps your legs cool and cozy at all times. Your calves will be thanking you once they have a rest in this unique leg massager. Rita Instant Photo Printer. Say goodbye to bulky phone covers. With this gadget in hand, your iPhone becomes a tiny camera that fits in your palm, ready to snap and print life's brief moments. Get printed pictures directly from your phone in 30 seconds instead of waiting for days. Using the accompanying app, you can even add hidden videos to your prints. How cool is that? The pictures are printed on adhesive paper, which doubles as fantastic fast stickers. This iPhone accessory is a dream come true for photography enthusiasts. M-Board Balance Extension. No gym? No worries. This amazing gadget will let you unleash your inner ninja. Regardless of the surface type, this highly balanced and portable powerhouse will effortlessly test your core, stability, coordination, and agility. Its sturdy and sticky rubber pad will keep you balanced without letting rolls go beyond limits. After all, safety always comes first. Additionally, its clever lock and release technology makes it easy to switch between attachments. With just this one board, you can do so many exercises. For a boost in your balance, abilities, and fun, put down the screens and pick up the balance extension. We see Rechargeable Book Lamp. Is your bedroom lighting boring? With this book-shaped nightlight, you can illuminate your life and put an end to dullness. This 8-in-1 miracle unfolds into a captivating rainbow of hues that turns any space into a mystical sanctuary. All you have to do is choose a color from a vast range of mesmerizing shades. But the enchantment doesn't end there. When folded flat, the plush, leather-bound cover emits a pleasant glow that fills your room with a wonderful ambience. Moreover, this gadget is rechargeable and wireless, so you can carry the show with you everywhere. Once you get this lighting companion, the options are endless. Unwind in the living room, make a comfortable reading nook, or prepare for a special supper. This gadget has you covered. That was it for this video. Tell us in the comments which one of these gadgets you like the most. Seriously, we want to know. If you liked this video, be sure to share it with your friends. Also, thumbs up and subscribe for more future content like this. Until next time, goodbye!